Now you can use your phone or tablet device to capture signatures directly into a QUICKBASE record. Just configure the tool with 3 simple steps with your QUICKBASE table and start capturing signatures. You can choose to save the captured signature locally on the device, or just upload it to QUICKBASE without storing locally. Saving signatures locally is mainly helpful when you want to sign multiple records with same signatures. The common use case will be saving your own signature. You can choose Upload only to upload the captured signature to QUICKBASE without saving them locally on the device. This option is helpful when capturing different signatures for each record. To help sign on a bigger canvas, the mobile screen automatically rotates for you to sign. Once you tap Done, the screen rotates back to landscape mode. Watch more videos in this series to know more about all the plugins. Download the app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store for free. To learn more, you can visit quickbase.dev or email us at info@arkwone.dev.